painting. Now today I'm very excited about this project because I have never painted a lily pond before. And this is going to be a very pretty lily pond. It's going to have one purplish pink lily and it's going to be reflected upside down in the water here. And there's just going to be mostly green tones, so I put out a lot of green tones for today and a couple purple tones for the flower. Now the first thing I did was put on a coat of this Liquitex matte gel matte. I've never painted that way by putting the gel on first, so I'm curious to see how it comes out. And if it doesn't come out, you won't see it. You'll never know. So here we go. Here are some of the colors I put out for today. It's mostly green tones. There's like this, that one got really runny, but it's like a marshy tone, like a kiwi green, like a shamrock green, a sap green, a black, a white, like a navy blue, a darker purple, medium purple, light purple, and two different shades of green in the center, and that one is sap green. So let us begin. I'm going to start by maybe doing the first lily pad. And let me see, I'm going to probably mix it on this for you. Okay. It's kind of this tone of green, and we'll just start putting that in right about here. Go around the lily, or make a lily. Okay. This is interesting. The kind of texture it's giving me. Very interesting. Okay. It will probably make it look like a looser style of paint with a lot of texture. Yeah, it's definitely different than the way I painted in the past, but it might take longer for it to dry. And it's making some interesting patterns. That's different. Why paint lily pads? Good question. If you ever came across a body of water with an abundance of lily pads, you would probably be in awe too. You would be amazed at how those flowers and plants seem to be floating on top of the water. Although they appear to be floating with ease, they are actually attached by a system of stems and tubes that may extend many feet to the bottom of the lake or pond. Lily pads are an inspiring subject for many artists and their paintings. There are many colors used in the pond and the flowers. And then what about all the reflections on the water? The most famous artist of all who painted many lily ponds was Claude Monet. And his most famous painting was the water lily pond. Monet started painting lilies towards the end of his life on his 2-acre property, which he had 6 gardeners that he paid to dig out a pond, and he imported these flowers and he installed his own pond, which he paid these gardeners for years to maintain. And that took about 5 years to build. He then painted a series of wonderful lily pond paintings. And this pond provided Monet with years and years of inspiration. Remember, we are painting in layers. For the flower, I mixed carmine red, a touch of Prussian blue, and a lot of white to get the very pretty lavender color we're going to use into the lily. I would add a drop of black for the darker areas because the carmine and the touch of Prussian blue with the white will be a mid-tone. We will add white to lighten and dark black to make a darker purple lilac color. And in the center, we're going to use, it's going to be like a yellowy center with some orange in it to make it stick out a little. So that's our flower, and we are painting layers. So just keep adding the layers as you go along and paint this flower until you get it exactly the back and take a look. I am pretty happy with it. I'm glad it turned out as well as it did. It was a new technique where I put the glaze, the matte glaze on first and then painted into it, giving it different types of a technique, a different look. I thought I'd try it. I am happy with the way it turned out, and I hope you guys had fun watching this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, keep on practicing. Bye-bye.